Do you know that dog food is basically $2 a pound? That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I don't know what Purina's making that shit out of, but I could make my dogs a pork roast with vegetables and a plate of cornbread for cheaper than a bag of friggin' dog food at the Tractor Supply. $33 for 15 pounds worth of dog food? I know. I don't understand it. I feel like that should be cheaper. I feel like there should be a coupon that's like, hey, if you buy 5 bags of dog food, you get like $10 off this next bag of dog. Maybe that's just me.